has started.
Okay, okay. So video has been started now, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Good to listen. Good to listen. And how are you doing, Nishi?
I'm pretty well, and how about you?
I'm also fit as a fiddle. Just after a long time seeing you.
Yeah, I think after 1 year we are meeting here.
That's correct. That's correct. That's great. Okay.
So, are you taking classes
So,
right now?
right now I have been taking classes. For means early in the morning around 9 o'clock.
Okay.
So
Well,
yeah, it starts around 9, and now I have 4 or 5 only because I do not you can say ad, correct? Like I do not advertise the thing on WhatsApp or anywhere because I do not have enough time. So how can I do the same?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so that's why I take class. Like I have right now Dimple, Mamta, and Prashila, Promila. There are few new like Hemant and
Okay.
Rahul Lalga. So these are the students now. Hmm. That's it.
Sorry. So, please introduce. First of all, we need to be your introduction. So, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. As you know that I'm Sudhanshu. Okay, I live in here, Dwarka, Delhi. I graduated from Delhi University in BCom history. Okay, and after that I started working in one of the healthcare companies. Okay, that is MNC. R1 Archim. There I had approx 3 years, and after that I got a prime opportunity to work with one of the giant companies. I would say it's a very big brand and renowned one, I would say. That is TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, and I
Okay.
have been working there since November 2021. So that's all about me. And as far as my family is concerned, earlier we were five, and now we are four. How? Because my two sisters got married. Okay, and now I also got married, so we are four. That's it. Okay. Is
Patient.
there anything else apart from that I can tell?
No, no. Actually,
Okay.
after a long time, so I'm talking with you, and you are
Hmm.
teacher, so I haven't. I'm getting nervous.
You should not be nervous, okay? Because it happens, but after some time you are interacting me after a long time, so you must be thinking about something. I don't know what you are thinking, but do not think. Okay, just be a friend. Like, yeah, we are talking. That's it only. Do not worry. And could I ask you that where are you living nowadays?
Yeah, I'm living in Faridabad.
Faridabad. Okay. In Faridabad, where?
This time I
Do
will
you
not.
have any idea?
So,
Okay, okay. No worries, no worries.
yeah.
Okay. So, what can we discuss here?
Yeah, firstly, we need to be discuss about you that how did you learn this language and that since childhood and also in your school days. So it was the same
Uh-huh.
scenario that did you face any difficulty to learn this language and how did you learn? If
Uh-huh. Okay. So, first of all, it was not at all a cup of cake for me because we know that it's not our language. Okay. We are compelled to learn this language. Why? Because our society has given this that one should learn English if anybody has to grow in their life. Okay. That's why we all are compelled and we have been toiling and moiling hither and thither, okay, in order to enhance this language. Okay. So for my money, when I was uh, means when I reached in sixth class, okay, then I started learning ABCD. Okay, because I my family condition was hand to mouth. Okay, hand to mouth means very poor.
yeah,
So So as a matter of fact, I just used to think that how I'm going to improve, because in this class I'm learning ABCD, and you know that what is the situation in the government schools in Delhi. The teachers are doing their level best. Students, uh, some teachers are not doing, and I don't know what is being done in the government school nowadays. But earlier, when we were learning, at that moment, the school situation was really bad. Okay, I would say that was worst. Uh, but after completing my graduation, I would say uh, I used to go numerous companies, okay, in order to be selected. But what was happening over there? Every time I was being rejected. Okay, and every time I used to ask from me, get by guy, oh sorry, buddy, why are you being rejected? Why you are means every time facing this? So my mind used to say me, bhai, you are a kind of reckless person, means who doesn't want to do anything. Okay, you doesn't want to do anything in this language. You know very well, whenever you are going anywhere and you are being asked from HR, could you please let me know, tell me know about yourself? Could we run through your CV? I am the guy who is saying you, then that's it. So after that, I got to know that if still I do such stupid activity on the daily basis, definitely I am not going to be selected. So, uh, so in 2016, okay, that is past in November, like 7 years ago, I got a opportunity, okay, to learn with FEA. I don't know whether you know or not.
Yeah,
Freedom English Academy.
I know.
Okay, you know. Okay, this is the one of the best institutes, okay, I would say, which is being owned by Neeraj Chopra, I think. I don't know what's his name. Do
Yeah,
you
I
remember?
remember his name.
Huh?
I don't remember his name. I think
I'm also not remembering. Sorry for that. I think our spectators means your spectators when he is going to watch this video, this maybe the comment will come. Okay, so
Neeraj Chopra.
Neeraj Chopra, I don't his no remember his name, but yeah, one of my friends, okay, suggested me that, bhai, would you like to improve your English? I said, why not? I am facing a lot of challenges whenever I'm going for an interview. I am being rejected over and over again. I'm getting literally uh, means I was literally means thinking that what should I do? So I thought, I think yes, I will go. But I went there, okay, slowly and gradually I started asking questions from teachers that ma'am, अगर मैं वहां जाऊंगा तो उसको क्या कहेंगे, okay, if I have to say this, okay, it means I just kept on asking. I had a lot of curiosity. Sometime I used to irritate that much, okay, to my ma'am who was the facilitator over there. She used to say, Miss Danshu, I will throw you out from the class if you keep on speaking like this. So that's what used to happen with me, because I was so much adamant, obstinate, I would say, to grab this language as soon as possible. Uh, so that's why means being a adamant, okay, being a stubborn person, I used to do such activities. Moreover, I'm gonna tell that how one can improve English. It is a not at all very difficult language. Some people think that it is a some people think that it is a piece of cake, and some people think that no,
Yeah,
it's not a cup of tea for me. Okay, but
it's
I
not.
would say this thing, it's not at all a rocket science. Okay,
Yeah,
what do you need to do? What I used to do, I'm telling right now. Okay, I used to talk with people. Okay, at that moment, if you have friends like 20, at that moment, you know that in FA 20 student used to come in the class. Okay.
Yeah.
So took, I took phone number of all. Okay. Every day, like I have friend Nishi, I have friend Karishma, I have friend Rahul, I have Anurag. I'm just making call to Anurag. Buddy, how are you? What are you doing? Okay.
So,
So
you
Anurag says, Bhai, yaar, I just came to grocery market in order to buy vegetable. Can I call you later? Then, then I used to say I was not reluctant that I was thinking that I should. Oh, no matter, no worries, okay. Or if Anurag's not picking, Nishi definitely will talk with me. So I just used to talk Nishi. I just used to make call to Nishi. Nishi, are you free? Yes, yes, I'm free. Yes, I used to talk with her 15 minutes. Then she says, I'm going to tuition. I said, okay, no worries. Then if she is going tuition, now I have a charisma. So that's how I was so much adamant. Okay, I was not reluctant. If I'm making mistake, okay, if I'm making mistake, so I used to ask, okay, if am I making mistake? Okay. So first of all, if you're talking, so first of all, you should choose those people you know that person is very good in this language. Definitely, if you are going to say, मुझे जाना है, आप बोल रहे हो, I has to go. So definitely that person should have that you should use have. Why you're using has? So first of all, try to catch those people, and you know who are better than you. Okay. So first of all, make call to those. First thing. Okay. I used to listen stories for 2 hours. Okay. Same stories from 10 minutes story, 10 times 2 hours continuously. Okay. So why I used to do that? Because because I have learned from somewhere that if you keep on repeating something over and over again, like a song, okay, gana aaya, if song comes, how we imitate it. Why it happens? Because we just listen, correct? We listen 10 times, 12 times up, then after that you keep on repeating, you while making chapati, while okay riding, while going anywhere on car, while driving, while riding, whatever, you just sing a song. That song automatically comes or pours out from your mouth or anywhere. Why? How does it happen? Because you have done already repetition in past 20 times, 30 times. Okay. Now you will sing this song. Okay. Now we also hum. Okay. Means whenever we are making anything, we always do this thing. Correct. So that's how I did. Okay. 10 minutes video I used to watch. I'm watching. Yes, 10 minutes more. Then I used to imitate what that speaker was speaking. Okay. Okay. Like how it means how they are doing. So I used to do this activity. Okay. And I'm telling you, I do not read. I am not fond of reading. So people say that you should read also if you want to improve. But literally, when I start reading, I get yawn. Okay. So in order in order to get rid of this thing, I do not read. I focus only on speaking and listening. Listening is the best activity, I would say. You all know, we all know, sorry, there are four things: LSRW,
NSR.
listening, speaking, reading, writing. Listening weightage, I would say 80%. Okay. Because when the baby borns in this world, that baby doesn't know from which country he belongs to. If if that baby is born in USA or UK, he will be speaking English only. That baby just born in Spain, that baby is going to speak Spanish. If that baby is born in Delhi, he is going to speak Hindi. English will not come out from his mouth. Why is it is being done in our society? Because when baby is seeing he is 3 months old, you are saying, say me mama, mama, say me papa, idara, udara, then he's catching, okay, all of the things, correct? So, and after that, what happens? He understand. Idhar aa, so he thinks that he is going to come to me. Yeah. Udhar ja, so he's going to go there. That is how we learn. Okay. If I if and now it's up to you. Now if any baby is born, so it's up to you. In future, your baby is there, will be there. So you can teach English that baby come here, go where, just go there. Definitely he will understand. It's up to you how you are going to live with him, stay with him or her. Okay? So that's how one can improve. I think I have been speaking a lot. Okay.
No, no, actually, I was listening and I was understanding to that how can we also improve my English. Yeah, definitely. I will also work in these things that you told about these skills.
Uh,
So
and
yeah,
one thing I also want to add that I you have to be mad also. Right now, I have been working also, but still I'm mad. Sometimes, okay, what I do, you know the video you watched 2, 3 times. Now you know the characters. 5 minutes, 6 minutes video. Now you know the characters. Correct? Okay. Now you know the characters. Now, like Nishi has watched and listened 4 or 5 times. Now she knows who's Kalpit, who's Megha in this video. Okay. Now there is no need to watch in order to understand. Now what do you need to do? Uh, you need to keep your mobile aside and start doing making chapati. Start doing your household chores. Start doing more. Okay, just sweep the floor. But you need to keep your mobile on page on anywhere wherever you find out space. Just listen only. Okay, like one of the story I would say that like who's coming here? Okay, he's an inauspicious person. He works hard like a donkey the entire day and he still gets abused. He's so unlucky. Means you will. I'm just speaking my story part. Okay, what I learned. So that's how. Okay, you will be listening. Okay, that means like song we listen. क्या करते हैं? What we do at home? What we do? We just keep mobile aside. Again, listen song. So now stop listening songs. Just listen same video which you have watched in the past 4 or 5 times. Keep it now. It is like your song because you will have interest also. That's for sure. When you listen it, okay, you will fall in love with it. Okay, because you know the character. Okay, now and while speaking, sometimes you will feel also that you are imitating that those characters, and then see you magic. Okay, automatic those beautiful sentence structure will pour out from your mouth. So I did the same. I'm also mad whenever I you know that in the taking bath till wearing clothes, it takes 10 minutes, 12 minutes for boys. I don't know about girls. Okay, but it takes time. Okay, that much. 10 minutes only from taking bath till wearing pant, shirt, and socks, shoes. Okay, so 10 minutes, it's enough for us. Okay, so what I do, 10 minutes story I know. Okay, I just keep my mobile aside where I take bath and I just enjoy and listen those story. That what is being done. Okay, in that story. Then when I have to put on the clothes, then I keep mobile here and then I start wearing my clothes, start putting on my clothes. So that's how you need to be mad. Okay, you have to be insane. I would say if really want to be uh, improved. Okay, if you want to really improve in this language, that's it.
and thank you
Is there
so.
anything else?
No, no, no. Actually, thank you so much giving your precious time. And last 3 to 4 months, I was
Uh-huh.
trying.
Uh-huh.
I had been trying.
What you are?
No, I think we should be connect to each other, but we were unable.
Uh-huh.
Whenever you get time, so at that time I had no time, and really
Hmm.
was the
That's correct. That's
was
correct.
precious time if I
That's
say.
correct. Okay. Some, as a matter of fact, all the time, I used to get started that every time Nishi just messages me, and I think that at what time should I free? As actually I've been working Monday to Friday, I work Saturday, Sunday, I get off. Today I got a, actually I took off because I had villa. Bye
Yeah.
bye.
Thank you so much for giving your precious time. Bye bye. Good
Bye
night.
bye. Thank you. Good
Yeah.
night.
Good night.